Hello everyone, in this video I will talk about 4 tricks to keep your dog free from bad dog breath. These natural remedies really work and they will help treat or maintain your dog's dental health. The first tip is add a little bit of coconut oil to your dog's food or use it as a toothpaste. Coconut oil doesn't just boost digestive, immune system, and metabolic functions, it also helps to combat dog bad breath. Plus, coconut oil helps keep your pup's coat shiny too. The second tip is sprinkle a little fresh mint onto your dog's food at every meal. This freshly scented herb contains chlorophyll, which has natural healing properties. Mint is also rich in vitamins A and C, which support healthy bones, skin, and vision. Mint can even help to promote healthy digestion in pets and humans. The third tip to treat bad dog breath is add up a teaspoon of lemon juice to your dog's water bowl. The acidity in lemon juice helps neutralize bacteria and fight the buildup of odor causing plaque and tartar. Lemon acts as a natural deodorizer, creating freshly scented breath with every drink of water. And last but not least tip to get rid of bad dog breath is choose a great dental chew designed for cleaning teeth. These chews help treat your puppy's dental health by keeping his teeth and gums healthy. One of the best dog chews of 2022 is called Pup Lab's Fresh Breathies. This dental chew for dogs is rich in natural ingredients that fight the main cause of bad breath in dogs. This dental chew is only sold in the official website. I left the link to the official website in the description of this video in case you want to know more or buy it. Fresh Breathies are delicious chews designed to support and reduce your pup's bad doggy breath by helping to reverse the damage done to your dog's digestion system with prebiotic fibers. Each Fresh Breathy chew contains all natural ingredients, including spirulina, yucca extract, parsley, cinnamon, and champignon mushroom extract, which can work together to support dental health and benefit your pup's digestive system. It helps reduce flatulence and restore sweet breath. It promotes stronger gut health and immune support. Fresh Breathies was designed and formulated to benefit all dogs, no matter their age or breed. It contains 5 all-natural ingredients proven to support a healthy balance in your dog's gut microbiome and support a healthy inflammatory response. This results in cleaner breath, reduced flatulence and body odors, firmer poops, less itching and scratching, more comfortable joints, and more energy. Fresh Breathies work from the inside out to rebalance your dog's gut microbiome and support or maintain his health. Plus, they have a delicious chicken flavor. Your dog will love it. This top-selling dog chew of 2022 is helping pet owners everywhere rediscover the joy that comes with seeing their best friend look and act energetic and healthy again. Now I will explain how to use it. For dogs under 50 pounds, give 1 soft chew daily. Over 50 pounds, give 2 chews daily. The rule of thumb is 1 chew for every 50 pounds of body weight. Continue giving every day for at least 30 days. Consistency is important because these nutrients take some time to go to work. Plus, with billions of bacteria in your dog's gut, it takes time to rebalance this delicate microbiome. Starting in as little as 1 week, you should notice an improvement in breath, body odors, stool consistency, and energy. Fresh Breathies comes with a 100% money-back guarantee. So if you want to buy or know more about this powerful supplement for improving dog oral health, click on the link in the description of this video. I hope this video has helped you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and it will be a pleasure to help you.